The greatest engine ever made. 4-cylinder by Honda. So, I have myself a Honda Civic, and a lot of people have been asking me why I've got another Civic, but the engine is going into the silver one, so I can sell the silver one. All the other bits are for sale. I've already got someone on the doors, and that the interior's alright, I think. The seats aren't that bad, are they?
No, they're not too bad.
No, just bolster wear on one side, usual bolster wear and stuff, and Gaz is having the dash. Oh, fucking hell, we got spark plugs.
Oh yeah.
And an ignition coil. Well, this is saying he's got an ignition coil, so he might have a fucking misfire. Oh no, an old one. Spark plugs. Yeah, used, did he? Used, slightly used. So yeah, it's got lovely red wheels, and has it got a locking wheel nut on? No, it hasn't, which is a bonus. So they're going on my silver ones. Obviously, I'm selling my Evo wheels. We're just gonna crack out all the coil packs today, get the battery changed, and then get some oil in it, rip that belt off because the belt's seized on. Oh no, it's off, Sam's already got it off. Doing the work for me. Fire it up. Once we've fired it up, jobs are done. We're done. Oh shit, look at that. Camera holder.
Oh yes.
I'm like so.
Yeah. That's something soft underneath.
I know, like.
In case.
I'll go get my stand. And about that much. Full ball. Okay. There you go.
Keys. Please tell me you brought them.
I did bring them. It's all nice.
That's an oil fuel pump, isn't it?
Yeah.
Quite good.
6 spark plugs in.
Quite good.
Compression.
Yeah, it's like 12.
Grab mine. I know they're good. I know they're good. 2 for you, 2 for me. Which I have so many fucking spare parts in it.
Yeah. Here, mate.
That's a broken one now.
CRX came up on thing. He wants £1,000 for it. It's good. To be honest, it's a shame because it would have had like a sort of VTEC front on it.
While we're here, Sam, you have to get down so they can see you, Sam. Sam loves a Del Sol CRX.
Yeah.
It's his favourite CRX.
Favourite if that was fucking gay, mate.
What? All this time I've been cracking on with you. All this time I've been cracking on, and then you tell me you're not gay. I'll turn you. Don't you worry, we're going to be working pretty damn close.
You are slowly turning me, mate.
I don't think there's anything to be turned, to be honest, Sam.
I guess.
Right, do you want to grab that camera?
Yeah, go on then. Why not?
Why not?
Oh, that's a horrible fucking noise.
Oh.
Oh yeah, she lives. Listen to that exhaust though. Oh, lovely smoke. Yeah, pure fuel. Fucking right it does. Doesn't actually sound too bad either. A little bit tappy like, but...
Zilchio! At least I don't have to drain water out. Could just be fuel. It runs.
It does.
Could just be fuel. Fuck it. It runs.
That was easy.
That was easy.
Let's go.
Another 2-minute video. Did you see my 2-minute video?
Yeah, I did.
So a rusty K20 runs.
We can get it wrong.
Yeah, it's Honda. It's Honda, Sam.
What's your video for once, mate?
For the first time. So there we are. It runs. Runs a bit shitty. But it's not banging, it's not knocking, it's just tapping a bit with the probably valve adjustments that I'll do before I stick it in mine. But the engine is good. That paid off because I bought this car blind. So Mark at work, I'm not going to say how much he paid for it. Mark at work bought it, but never had a chance to go get it from Scotland. So I said to him, look, I'll buy it off you and I'll bring it back. I didn't know what colour it was, what year it was. And nothing about it, whether it ran. All I knew that the Alti was seized, that's all I knew. And it paid off.
What's the gears feel like?
I don't know, I haven't even tried them.
Obviously not driven it like, but...
Yeah, I'll jump in and check the clutch as well, might as well while I'm here, innit? Make sure clutch is fucking better. Standard seat show. 140,000 miles.
Really? Fucking hell.
Oh, that'd be sweet. Like it's had a fresh clutch on it. Oh. Exhaust sounds nasty, doesn't it?
What is it with you revving cars? Like,
Love a good rev!
like that. It probably is warmest though, is mine. You know, no fucking water.
No water in it.
Like, you know, whoa, bang!
Bang! Ah, shit! Sam's reaction to underneath.
Holy shit.
What do you think?
It's so fucking huge. Fucking hole.
Can I get round the other side?
Where's it there?
There.
Oh, yes. Take it.
Oh, there we are, inside. So yeah, it is shafted underneath. So yeah, it's kind of rusted a little bit. It did go through a dodgy MOT. I believe it went through a dodgy MOT. So that's why I ended up getting it, because at least engine runs kind of, but that I can sort out when I get it.
How did you know it went for a dodgy MOT?
Because I got told.
But what were the people like, or did you just turn up?
I just turned up, didn't meet anybody.
Oh really? You just took it?
Turned up, yeah. We were sat on the farm, we just rolled it onto the trailer and drove off. If I knew where it was, I could have just gone and nicked it. No, I wouldn't have.
Well, you could have just told me,
Yeah.
right?
Good, you weren't driving this back then, were you?
No.
I want to do this chewing gum. Some guy always bitches because I chew chewing gum. Our first idea was that we were going to get a trailer. Big Gay Dave was going to go down with us, but then he's going Canada soon, so he had no time. And then second idea me and Sam had was like, well, we'll just drive it up, we'll fix it, and then drive it back. Good job we didn't. Good job Johnny come with his trailer, because Johnny had a transporter as well, but the brakes are knackered, so we ended up going with the trailer and getting it, so it fucking runs. So she wrote. So she wrote. So there we are. I'm gonna get this engine out over next week probably. I can't be arsed this week. I'm fucked still from going to Scotland. But I've got loads of bits to sell on it. So passenger wings already gone, both doors have gone, tailgate's gone, boot's gone, engine gearbox, wiring loom's gone. The dash is gone, but not the full dash, so if anyone needs a full dash. Interior's not gone, front back seats, carpets. Seat belts have gone, because I'm going to use them in EG if they fit.
Lights.
Headlights.
Front rear lights.
Headlights are gone with looms.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. Front bumper's gone. Wheels have gone. So there's only literally, if you need wishbones, stuff like that. Subframe, engine mounts, side skirts, rear spoiler. Oh no, I'll give that with the thingy. Yeah. There we are.
Sweet.
There's Honda Civic. And I think the rear calipers fit on the EG hubs.
Yeah, they should do.
Yeah, so I can just use them, refurb them. Right, I'm going to take some pictures, send them to the people that have been asking about parts, and another couple minute video, and I'll be back dropping this engine out, fucking the car off, getting my silver one in, putting the engine in. Wicked. So, from me and Sam,
Peace.
we'll see you in a bit. And Sam has his own YouTube channel soon, and it's called I'm Sam Douglas. I'm a man about cars.
That's it. That's exactly it.
I'm gonna change his second name every episode. I'm gonna do his intro for him. So, right, see you in a bit.
Sweet.